Hanapin niyo kung nasan ako. Ang layo-layo na lang narating ko. Nandito na ako sa... South Korea. Sasabihin ko sana mabuhay pero dahil nasa ibang bansa tayo, wag na lang. Sabihin ko na lang anyo nga sa'yo, yun na lang. Jungkook, handa ka na bang ikasal sa akin? Sana handa ka na. Kasi wala ka ng choice. Ito na ako, dito na ako. Joke lang, baka magalit yung jowa ko. Mas mahal ko siya. So, it's day 1 po of our Korea trip. Iniwan ako ng ate ko. May samgyupsal. Annyeonghaseyo! Yes, I'm so ready to take on the world.
It's 7 degrees, guys.
Okay, it's 7 degrees. And for a tropical girl, this is freezer weather. Okay, so for 7-Eleven daw. Okay, mag-withdraw muna tayo. First order of business. $7-Eleven but make it Korea. Duh. Yung ate ko yung nag-withdraw pa somewhere there and my parents just woke up. So we're waiting for them. Right now, enjoy me. My fit check. Diba? It's so cute. Do you guys love it? Because I love it. Day 1.
Where are we going?
We're going to Yeonpyeong Hanok Village.
Yun yung una. I hope they don't fight.
Our goal is not to fight.
Yes.
Because, alam niyo yung ay, hindi ko pwedeng sabihin yan dito sa vlog.
Yeah.
The struggle of traveling with the is
No, I think everyone can
a
relate to that.
hassle. It's chaotic. Ang ganda ko siya. Pag nakita talaga ako ni Jungkook, talagang iiwan niya ang military at pakakasalan na ako. Ganong levels.
1 in 1 in jam.
Ayan po. We're using the Naver maps to navigate. Choose the best. Guys, Naver is the key.
Ang pag-commute ay pag-navigate ng mga trains ay mahirap
It's a
lang
skill.
sa first day.
Ayan,
Pero you'll get used to it.
Yeah. That's so true. There's my family. Nag-uusap sila about taxes. Pretty lang mga katake ko talaga. Bahala sila dyan. Kita tayo dun ah. In the train now. Money car. We're on a train going to Yeonpyeong Hanok Village because Bokchon Hanok Village is too overrated for us. So we made it to the Hanok Village. This is Yeonpyeong Hanok Village. We made it. One-in-one black coffee. Gonna order my coffee and food. This. And then
Ice or hot?
iced.
Ice. It's 14,500.
Carrot cheesecake and matcha latte. Waiting for my order. I got matcha latte. Matcha.
Yeah.
Thank you. One, two, three.
Hi sa vlog.
Ay, ganda. Parang royal family. gusto ko. Money reloading. Koreana kong ina. Oh, marunong na yan siya. Oh.
Korean pa yan.
Korean one. Oh. Mali.
Mali.
Turn niya na.
For stamping.
Wait lang. Nga maganda yung angle. Tapos pag napanood niya to maganda nga talaga. Kasi yung gusto niya ganyan. Oh, tinan. Pangat, diba? Oh, pag ganyan maganda. Kahit naman na sinastamp mo. Kaya ako na nga lang papakita. Ayaw niya ipakita eh. Sorry guys, tanga pa. Ayan na. May marunong na ako guys.
This is the second stamp.
Yan. Wait lang, isa-zoom out kita. Oh, marunong na ako. Bye-bye guys.
First meal from a restaurant is that. There's a lot going on at the moment. There's protests everywhere. Yung ano ba, payayaran mo muna yung papasok na ang princess. For real, for real.
Angle ko ta. Uy, gagi ka. Dadapa pa ako sa ginagawa kong to, sakripisyo to. Ayan, sige. Harap dito, lumapit ka. Talikod, ikot. Ay, ang arte na. Nakakainis na yung anak mo. Tama na.
Dream ko to puntahan yung National Folk Museum of Korea. And I made it happen! Oh, parang gusto ko rin dito. Is it nice? Parang hindi naman giving. So, that's the tour, guys. Ang dami kong cute photos from here. I enjoyed it. Wait, I'm gonna show you. So, a few lakad lang. Tapos, ayan yung makikita nyo. It's giving, Reply 1988 vibes. Super cute as in. Super enjoy ako here. Ito talaga yung dream photo place ko. Parang, okay na, uwi na tayo. May photo na ako. Ayan o. Gets nyo ba? Gets ba? Gets ba? Ayan. Diba? It's very Reply 1988. Wait, aura pa ako dun. Ayan. Kabog, diba? Oh my God! Ang ganda. I love it here. It's my fault. It's very K-drama coded. May mga horse din here. Look. See? So cute. I love it. Okay. So, yun na muna ang aking tour. Bye. 이 밤의 끝엔 뭐가 있을까? 저 달은 알고 있을까? 흐르는 시간 속에 나를 맡긴 채 고요히 밤을 We're in Myeongdong. We're gonna try street food. Wow! Ay, gusto ko yan. Yan ang gusto kong kainin. Olo. Excuse me. Ah, wow! Very Latina sa Myeongdong. Done. Bye guys. Good night. Good night, soul. Good night. Matutulog na ako. Uuwi na ako.